Pistor 5 first setup. Pistor 5 is supplied in its transport case including Pistor 5, one power supply, one power cord, one user guide, one MP410 kit sample, two SMP kits samples. Starting Pistor 5. To start the device, press on-off touch. The microprocessor makes a reset and carriage goes to its starting point. Place the skin stabilizer on its holder. Place the syringe needle set with the syringe cone well against the needle holder. Then approach the cursor against the syringe plunger and press lightly the level down. Warning: this action should be done without using force. Pressurize the syringe by pressing the trigger until product gets out of the needle. Your device is now ready to be used. Procedure to select functions. You must now program your injector with regard to the injection type you wish to realize. To select the injection mode, press on plus touch. Injection mode is then selected in black. Valid V-touch to enter in the menu. To modify parameters, use plus and minus touches. Once the parameter is selected, press on V-touch to valid. Proceed the same for all parameters, for instance, to modify the syringe type. Warning: before starting treatment, it is important to check that all parameters selected on LDC screen are corresponding to needle and syringe type placed on the device. 6 different injection modes are available with Pistor 5. When this symbol is selected, you are in continuous injection mode. You have then the possibility to modify the following parameters: needle size, penetration depth, syringe type, injection speed from 3 to 10 ml per minute. Keep the trigger pressed on during all the time of the injection. When this symbol is selected, you are in gust or nappage injection mode. You have then the possibility to modify the following parameters: needle size, penetration depth, syringe type, injection frequency adjustable from 100 to 300 shots per minute. Keep the trigger pressed on during all the time of the injection. When this symbol is selected, you are in point-per-point microdose injection mode. You have then the possibility to modify the following parameters: needle size, penetration depth, syringe type, injecting time adjustable from 1 to 3 seconds. Simply press and release the trigger to start the injection of 1 microdose of 0.005 ml. When this symbol is selected, you are in point-per-point standard dose injection mode. You have then the possibility to modify the following parameters: needle size, penetration depth, syringe type, injecting time adjustable from 1 to 3 seconds. Simply press and release the trigger to start the injection of 1 standard dose of 0.0285 ml. When this symbol is selected, you are in point-per-point megadose injection mode. You have then the possibility to modify the following parameters: needle size, penetration depth, syringe type, injecting time adjustable from 1 to 3 seconds. Simply press and release the trigger to start the injection of 1 megadose of 0.3 ml. When this symbol is selected, you are in mesoperfusion mode. Set the octopus draper and needles on syringe. Fill in the octopus limbs with part of the medicine cocktail. Place the syringe dripper set on the injector and pressurize. The needle size, depth of penetration, and syringe type cannot be modified in this mode. Only the time between two doses is adjustable from 8 to 48 seconds. After 4 needles are placed on treatment area, press on the trigger to start the treatment. The symbol mesoperfusion blinks. To stop the mesoperfusion, press a second time on the trigger. Memory mode is only to be found in continuous injection mode. The menu symbol is MEM off. Enter the memory menu and select one of the 3 possible recordings. Select parameters wanted for needle type, penetration depth, syringe type, and injection speed. Record the wanted injection by keeping the trigger pressed all the time of the injection, so to define your personal dose. To repeat your injection, select either play 1, play 2, play 3, corresponding to your injection. To make your injection, keep the trigger pressed on. Then, repeat this action as many times as injections needed. To come back to classical continuous mode, select the MEM off function. Your recordings will be kept in memory until next recording. When the battery symbol on LDC screen is empty, it is time to reload the battery. Connect the power supply to the main and to the gun. Loading of the battery starts. Loading time is estimated at 2 hours minimum. While reloading, you still can use Pistor 5. With Pistor 5, it is possible to use needles of 4 mm, 6 mm, 13 mm. Syringes of 1 ml, 2 ml, 2.5 ml, 5 ml, and 10 ml. Mesoperfusion kit includes 1 octopus draper and 4 needles of 13 per 0.3 mm, 1 sterile skin stabilizer. MP410 complete kit includes 1 4 per 0.3 mm needle, 1 10 ml syringe, 1 trocard, and 1 skin stabilizer.